Hi, it's Mike.
In this video we're going to have a look at how to do sums in Microsoft Excel. So first click on the cell where you'd like the sum to start, click on the equals, click the first cell of the equation, and then it's just a case of plus for addition, minus for subtraction, the asterisk to multiply, and forward slash to divide. Click the next cell that you'd like to divide by and then click enter, and then that will do the sum for you. Another way to do it is if you click on auto sum. There are many options here that you can choose, and then another way is if you hold the alt key and the equals key, let go, press enter, that will automatically add everything that's in that column.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.